Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today's video, I will be teaching you or showing you what is the vinyasa flow. I'm gonna give you two versions that you could try out and see which one works best for you. So begin, we're gonna come into a high plank, like you're getting ready to do a push-up. You're gonna make sure you spread the fingers out wide. You're gonna bring the feet to touch each other. You want to make sure your spine is straight from the top of the spine going all the way down to the heels. And we're going to take the knees now. We're just going to drop the knees down to the floor. We're going to untuck the toes. We're going to keep the elbows in tight to the ribs. And we're just going to bend at the elbows and lower the chest and the chin down to the floor. Now, keeping the elbows in tight to the ribs, you're just gonna slide the chest up into that baby cobra. Then we're gonna lower the chin back down, send the hips back up into that tabletop, tuck the toes back into the floor, and send the hips up into your downward dog. That's one version. The next version is, we're gonna start off again in that high plank, like you're getting ready to do a push-up. Now, instead of dropping the chest and the chin down, we're just gonna bend at the elbows and lower the chest down halfway into a low plank. Notice my elbows are in tight. And we're gonna untuck the toes. We're gonna lift the chest up, straighten out the elbows into the upward facing dog. You wanna make sure the thighs are up off of the floor and your elbows are locked out. Chest is reaching up towards the ceiling. Tuck the toes back in, and we're gonna send the hips up into that downward dog. That's your vinyasa flow. I hope that helped you. Hope you give it a try out for yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.